Hello, you welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media.
Top 5 Best DEWALT DCF860 Cordless Drill Reviews 2026. Number 5. DEKO DKID13XL65G Professional Impact Drill is a 220 volts electric power tool designed for drilling and screwdriving applications. Featuring dual function operation, it provides efficient performance for wood, metal, and masonry work. Built for durability and stable operation, it offers strong drilling power and comfortable handling. Suitable for professional construction, repair work, and DIY projects, it delivers reliable performance for various home and industrial tasks. Number 4. DEKO Rotary Toolkit is a versatile mini electric grinder and drill set designed for wood, metal, engraving, polishing, and DIY craft projects. Compact and easy to use, it supports multiple attachments for cutting, sanding, and detailed finishing tasks. Lightweight yet powerful, it provides precise operation and flexible functionality, making it ideal for hobbyists, home repairs, and creative workshop applications. Number 3. Makita DDF487 18V Lex Brushless Hammer Driver Drill is a high-torque cordless tool designed for drilling and screwdriving tasks. Equipped with a 13mm chuck and lithium-ion battery compatibility, it delivers strong performance and long-lasting efficiency. Compact and lightweight, it is suitable for construction, maintenance, and DIY work. The brushless motor improves durability, energy efficiency, and smooth operation for professional-grade drilling applications. Number 2. Makita DDF487 18V Lex Brushless Hammer Driver Drill is a high-torque cordless tool designed for drilling and screwdriving tasks. Equipped with a 13mm chuck and lithium-ion battery compatibility, it delivers strong performance and long-lasting efficiency. Compact and lightweight, it is suitable for construction, maintenance, and DIY work. The brushless motor improves durability, energy efficiency, and smooth operation for professional-grade drilling applications. Number 1. DEWALT DCF860 Brushless Electric Drill Screwdriver is a compact cordless power tool designed for drilling and fastening applications. Featuring a brushless motor, it provides efficient performance, longer runtime, and improved durability. The rechargeable design ensures portability and convenience for construction, woodworking, and DIY projects. Lightweight yet powerful, it offers reliable torque, precise control, and comfortable handling for professional and home users.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon. Get more videos. Thanks for watching.